Hello, my name is mάھىرە. I'm currently living in Montreal, Canada. Today I officially testify for my disappeared family. Usually I'm contacting with my family by WeChat. My last contact was in July 2017. In May 2017 I received a message about my aunt. She has been taken to the camp. Her name is Habiba Gayet and her daughter. In same time there's hundreds of people taken away from same village. In July 2017 I received a message about my mother, Maryam Gayet. She has been called to the so-called open camp. In next day I received a message about don't contact with my family anymore by any message or any phone calls. After that time I don't have any idea about my family. Even my father ئەزىزنىڭ, my brother ئۈچۈن and his wife Zülhumar and his son Zubair, where they are they still well, living well? I don't have any idea. My mother and my father, they are educated, own 3 children, as a human being, as a moral person, and graduate from the master's degree from the university. I want to ask Chinese government why they want to detaining these people. They don't want to any education of Chinese language teaching because they already get the certificate of Chinese language levels. And I want to ask the Chinese government if they are honest, your government is honest, why you want to detain the innocents, millions of innocent people in your so-called vocational camp. Contacting own family and asking them how they are doing is basic human being. I want to ask any other government officials or any human beings, please listen to us. Don't allow to commit 21st century's ethnic cleansing and genocide. Thanks for sharing and watching the videos.